Hi everyone, my name is Masa and I work for Lightly, and in this video I want to quickly introduce you to LightlyStudio. I want to show you how you can install it, start working with it, and also tell you what's LightlyStudio under the hood. So, LightlyStudio is an integrated computer vision platform that is made for data curation, data labeling, annotation, and Q&A. It's a Python package and it's very easy to install. Basically, you just need one command, pip install LightlyStudio. So let's go to the docs and just install it right now. So I will just copy this part under the installation section here. Let's copy that. The next step is just that you go to some editor. For example, I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any, and just paste the commands that we copied. So basically what will happen now is first a virtual environment will be created for all the dependencies, then the virtual environment will be activated, and last but not least, we will be able to install LightlyStudio inside it with just this one simple command, pip install LightlyStudio. So LightlyStudio under the hood is actually a Python package. Its backend is written in Python, while the front end is written in JavaScript with Svelte. Some parts of the logic are also written in Rust, just to make it very optimized, efficient, and fast. And also for database operations, LightlyStudio is using DuckDB, which makes it very, very efficient, even when working with enormous datasets. So, yes, that's basically it. That's LightlyStudio under the hood. That's how you can install it. And join me in the next video, where I will show you how you can start your first LightlyStudio project. Bye!